Hi guys, my name is Boy Grills. Oh, Jesus. And welcome to the show. Well, I've had 2 days already of hunting just here in my backyard, but with not much success. So today we've seen a hare. Well, I've seen a hare this morning, so we've just come out and see if we can find one. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Joshy Attenborough as well.
Hello.
Here.
How are you? That's good.
So we're going to go out and snag ourselves some guinea fowl and some hares, hopefully, and see how it goes.
All right.
So yeah.
Awesome.
You ready to head off?
All the help's needed. Let's go.
All right, let's do this. Are you going to shoot that knife?
Yes, I am going to shoot a knife.
An intrepid explorer and an all-round know-it-all from the jungle, Joshy Attenborough.
Skilled archer, Olympic gymnast, Boy Grills. Together with our dedicated film crew, we travel the backyards and back streets of Queensland to find the biggest game. Together, we are the dynamic duo that is Attenborough and Grills.
So welcome to the show.
So welcome to the show.
Phone around.
Okay, this is Joshy Attenborough. We are just showing the skills of Boy Grills and his compound bow. Ready?
Alright, so welcome. I'm just going to test my compound bow up. And just that way. Just a little bit. Stay there. I'll move in. Alright, there we go. Alright. So I'm just going to test my compound bow and see how far we can get it. Alright, here we go.
Holy crap.
There we go. That was pretty good, wasn't it? Alright, let's see where the
Impressed?
arrow went.
Let's go. So I just got to pick up my stuff.
Alright, let's go.
You! Down the hill. We have to walk back up this.
Yeah.
Just letting you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. The arrow's probably somewhere around here.
Okay, we're getting close.
I can feel it in my bones.
My Attenborough senses are tingling.
Yeah. Where'd it go?
I feel like it went over here.
Pretty darn far thing, that
So it landed around here, and that's the top of the hill. See that car? That is the top of the hill where we shot it from. And we came all the way down. You're right.
Yep. Bear Grylls is always alright.
He is.
Yeah, so Boy Grills is always alright. Bear Grylls is alright, I'm alright.
Lost the
Holy crap.
dam. Damn, that sucks. We can get through this, don't worry. Ooh. Did it go down into this, like
Probably.
go into it? Because it might be underneath.
Probably did, eh?
How often do you do this, man? Because, I mean,
Very often.
not very often.
Because it's so far. So, we had the practice shot.
We did.
Unfortunately, we had a bit of an issue.
The guinea fowl,
Yeah, it was a guinea fowl.
picked it up and ran away with our arrow that we sort of needed just to show you how cool we were.
Yeah.
And I'm afraid Boy Grills.
Boy George.
Yeah. And Joshy Attenborough haven't succeeded in that
No.
finding, but now we're gonna nail them up.
Yeah.
And yeah, so you'll see that part. Don't worry.
We're going to find him and take our revenge on him.
And get our freaking arrow back.
Yeah, that too.
Yes. Okay, so tune in Next time for the next clip.
It's still this time.
It's still this time. Yeah.
But later.
Later.
We'll get back to you on that one. Boy Grills here with Joshy Attenborough. We've just found the guinea fowl.
Short.
We found the guinea fowl.
It's over there.
It's right there. It's just walking away now. So we're on our way to hunt it down.
He's got our arrow.
Let's go. Alright. Alright. There it is. Just gotta move it onto the grass. Get a clear shot of it. It's in the pool. There we go.
Can we shoot it from here?
Yeah, you probably won't get it into the neighbour's thing. Alright, Josh, he's taking a shot.
Right now.
If you want. So guinea fowl's over there. Josh is here. Are you ready? Aim up for the rock wall. Ooh, nice. Let's run up. Ow. I just ran into the fence.
How do we... I gotta get my arrow out.
Yeah, it's... Oh, foo! I just walked into spider's web.
That was good.
Oh.
Swung and then came back and...
Yeah.
Oh,
Let
yeah,
it go.
I probably need to get like 5 meters closer.
Do you know where it went?
It ran off that way.
Oh, that.
Went
Oh,
that way.
guinea fowls run off, but we're in hot pursuit.
We are in hot pursuit. Sexy pursuit.
Okay, that was weird.
Join us next week for another episode of Attenborough and Grills.
Before you shoot, just make sure you don't hit me. Who eats dogs? Like, what country eats dogs? I don't know.
Just bit me.